Building a popular and reputable brand can be tricky, but it's not impossible. Many successful entrepreneurs have done it before you, and many will do it after you. Consider Jeff Bezos, for example, whose billion-dollar company started from selling books from his garage. So if you have the same drive and passion as Bezos did, here are 8 simple steps you can follow to build your own empire. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more helpful videos like this one. 1. Conduct market research. Market research helps you identify whether your idea is worth pursuing or not. It's a way to gather information from potential customers so you can refine your thoughts and improve your products. So, before investing a lot of capital, do some market research to ensure that you're on the right track. Number 2, write your business plan. Now that you have a valuable idea, it's time to put pen to paper and devise your business plan. Within your plan, you will need to identify your organization's purpose, your target audience, the product you're selling, your end goals, and how you will finance your startup costs. 3. Make it official. If you want a legitimate business, you will need to register the company. You can do this by using a company formation website. In addition to a registered establishment, you will need to trademark your business name and obtain any licenses needed to operate. If you're in the US, you will also need an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. 4. Fund your business. Not all startups require a lot of money, but you will need some investment to cover costs until you start making a profit. Therefore, it's important to identify how you're going to fund your business, whether it's through personal savings, a business loan, crowdfunding, or a sponsorship. Figure out the financials before you begin. 5. Set up your location. Setting up the place of operation for your business is essential for carrying out day-to-day tasks. This could be from your home, a shared office space, or a retail location. While doing so, you need to think of necessary equipment, including desks, chairs, computers, and other machinery. Make sure the location is practical for the company and easy to get to. 6. Develop your product. After setting up the essentials, it's time to finally develop your product with the help of your new employees. Although you'll be eager to get it completed as quickly as possible, it's important to reach out to different manufacturers and companies. Do your research and make sure you get quotes to compare. You need to minimize your costs in order to maximize your profits. 7. Build your brand. Before you begin selling your product or service, you need to build your brand and advertise what you're offering. You will need to pay special attention to your logo choice and marketing resources. If you're unsure of what you want, consult marketing experts who can help you create a captivating brand portfolio. 8. Promote your business. In today's online world, it's important to create an online presence and promote your business. This could be via social media ads, Google marketing, web banners, or offline promotions. Just select a few avenues that will work for your product and business. So, now that you know how to set up a successful business, nothing can stop you. That said, if you're looking for more advice, head over to CareerAddict.com, where we share further information.
Unsure of which career path to follow? Why not take our career test to find out? At Career Hunter, we use a cutting-edge algorithm to assess your interests, motivations, and abilities, and match you to suitable careers. Use the link in the description below to try the Career Interest Test for free.
And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.